Here's the problem, transporting fly rods without breaking the tips. So we're working on a solution going interior to the truck through the slider and then hanging off the rear view mirror. This is our first prototype, but we'll go from here. All right, a few more redesigns. There's the front hanger hanging off of the rear view mirror. There's the back one in the slider. Go ahead and open up that slider a little bit. So it tucks in. It's a little long for the opening, and then it gets held with the glass in place. So then the rod just goes in through the door, out through the window, goes into that groove. There's a rod there, locked in place. And then there it is hanging off the dash. So room for 3 rods. Pretty well contained, pretty well protected. It's beautiful. Then from the outside, you can't really even see it. There are the rods, spot for lures. The little holes are for thread to sew leather over there with a cut in it to hold it tight. That bike's a big distraction. That's all you can see in the reflections. So there's a piece of leather, also cut on the laser engraver, sewn on. Let's see how tight's that fit? It's pretty good, huh?
I think it's pretty good. It's enough to hold it there.
Oh no, that's nice.
And then if you have a thicker rod, it can hold it as well. And it can go up to 1/2 inch right there.
Oh, very good. I got the leathers on, tighter stitching for the smaller rods, and a little bit looser stitching on the leather for the bigger rods. And then the rod will just push in there and not travel at all. Next steps, cork's gonna go on here for the lures in between all the leather patches, and that'll fit right in the back window. So there it is with the leather on the outside. There's the rod pushed in. Regular spinning rod. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, that looks great. And this is the rods, how they hang off the front, off the rear view mirror. Pretty well locked up, certainly well contained. They won't move around too much with that leather. And then the lure is still on the rod, goes through there into the cork. And then that's it, you just tighten up the reel. Well, that's a tight ship right there. That's a very tight ship.
Go.
Tighten up that reel. Why those things move? That's not going anywhere.
When the window closes, it's definitely not going anywhere.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. Oh, that's super cool.